Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint game stuck on loading screen or not loading, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. These are all the required specs, minimum as well as recommended, mentioned. Before you launch the game, make sure you have all the required specs and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game as administrators. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, hit on apply and OK and now launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. So once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. So search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to fix the issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Wait for some time, it will check if any update is available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it or stop it and after that launch the game and check. Next is to close background apps. For that, go to the search option, here search for task manager. Now here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to select it and after selecting it, right click on it, click on enter. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, here you have to select the game and after selecting, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. Once Visual C++ is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So whatever option you get, click on it and then click on yes. After that, wait for some time. And once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint game and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.